Looking for a side hustle that can make you money fast? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 side hustles that can help you make some extra cash in no time. So don't wait any longer and hit the subscribe button now to get instant updates when new videos are uploaded. Also like this video if you found it helpful. 1. YouTube. YouTube is a great side hustle to make money fast because it's easy to get started and you can potentially make a lot of money depending on how successful you are. You can create videos on just about any topic, and there are a lot of ways to monetize your channel, including through advertising, affiliate marketing, and product placements. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, YouTube is definitely a great option. Here are a few steps to help you get started with your own YouTube side hustle. 1. Choose a topic for your videos that you are interested in and know a lot about. This will help make creative content easier and more enjoyable. 2. Create a channel and configure your settings. Make sure to add a profile picture and description and select the type of channel you want to create. 3. Start creating content. Plan out your videos ahead of time. Record and edit them using software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. 4. Monetize your channel by signing up for advertising programs or affiliate marketing programs. 5. Promote your channel on social media and other platforms to help build an audience. 6. Keep creating content and growing your audience to make more money with your side hustle. 2. Bake and sell cakes, cookies, and other desserts. Cooking up a storm in the kitchen can be a great way to make some extra money on the side. Baking and selling cakes, cookies, and other desserts is a popular side hustle because it's easy to get started and there's potential to make a lot of money depending on how successful you are. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, baking and selling desserts is definitely a great option. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Choose recipes that you are familiar with and enjoy baking. This will make the process easier and more enjoyable. 2. Invest in quality baking supplies like an oven, mixer, cake pans, cookie sheets, etc. This will help ensure your baked goods look and taste their best. 3. Start small by testing out your recipes on friends and family members before scaling up production. This will help ensure that your desserts are well received and people are willing to buy them from you. 4. Market yourself by creating an online presence or setting up a booth at local events or farmers markets. Spread the word about your delicious desserts to attract buyers. 3. Digital marketer. Digital marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services through electronic channels such as internet, email, and social media. It's relatively easy to get started and there's potential to make a lot of money depending on how successful you are. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, digital marketing is definitely a great option. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Choose a niche or area of expertise that you are interested in and familiar with. This will help make creating content easier and more enjoyable. 2. Create a website or blog where you can share your knowledge and insights on digital marketing. 3. Sign up for advertising program or affiliate marketing programs to monetize your content. 4. Promote your website or blog on social media and other platforms to attract readers and buyers. 5. Keep creating content and growing your audience to make more money with your side hustle. 4. Become a Uber or Lyft driver. Becoming a Uber or Lyft driver is a great way to make money on the side. Both companies are always looking for new drivers and they both offer generous compensation rates. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, becoming a driver for one of these companies is definitely a great option. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Research both companies and decide which one is the best fit for you. Each company has its own unique requirements and benefits. 2. Sign up for the appropriate driver training program and complete all the required tests. 3. Start driving. Make sure to follow all the company's rules and regulations and be friendly and cautious to your passengers. 4. Keep driving and building your client base to make more money with your side hustle. 5. Coding. Coding is a valuable skill that can make you a lot of money. In fact, coding is one of the most in-demand skills in the world today. And because there's such a high demand for coders, companies are willing to pay top dollar for talented developers. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, learning to code is definitely a great option. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Choose an online course or program that's reputable and has a good track record. This will ensure that you are learning from the best and getting the most value for your money. 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more time you spend coding, the better you become at it. 3. Get involved in coding communities and forums where you can ask questions and get feedbacks from other developers. 4. Keep learning and expanding your skill set to stay ahead of the curve and make even more money with your side hustle. 6. Offer tutoring services. Offering tutoring services is a great way to make money on the side. It's a valuable service that many people are in need of, and there's a high demand for tutors. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, offering tutoring services is definitely a great option. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Choose an area of expertise or subject that you are familiar with and enjoy teaching. This will make tutoring more enjoyable for both you and your students. 2. Advertise your services by posting flyers in local businesses or online or websites like Craigslist or Kijiji. 3. Create an attractive website or blog where potential students can learn more about your services and rates. 4. Keep teaching and helping students achieve their academic goals to make more money with your side hustle. 7. Podcaster. The term podcast refers to an online audio broadcast. It can be listened to on the go while commuting to office or even while working. Podcasting is a great side hustle because it can be done from anywhere and is a very lucrative field. In fact, podcasters can make a lot of money if they have the right audience and content. And because there's such a high demand for podcasts, companies are willing to pay top dollar for talented podcasters. So if you're looking for a side hustle that can help you make some extra cash quickly, starting a podcast is definitely a great option. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Choose an interesting and unique topic that hasn't been covered by other podcasters. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract listeners. 2. Invest in quality audio equipment so your listeners will have an enjoyable listening experience. 3. Market your podcast by posting ads on social media and other platforms, as well as on websites like Podbean and Apple Podcasts. 4. Keep producing high quality content and growing your audience to make more money with your side hustle. Thanks for watching. To learn more about side hustles and how to start your own, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below letting me know which side hustle you are most interested in trying out. Thanks again for watching.